Hello, my lovely students. Once again in speaking session. In today's session, we will talk about what is punctuality and what is the role of punctuality in your life and what kind of strategies, techniques you should adopt for punctuality. So punctuality means you are doing your work on time, you are doing your task on time, you are going to office on time, you are going to school on time. It's punctuality. Punctuality can change your life, punctuality can change your mind, punctuality can change your future as well. So there are a lot of benefits of punctuality, but it's need a time, it's need a determination, it's need a consistency, it's need a fluency, and it's need a your attention. If you will focus on punctuality, you can improve a lot, you can change a lot, you can do anything, and punctuality make you a great person in this world. If you become punctual, either you are running a business or you are going to school, you are going to job, or you are doing any kind of activities, but if you will adopt the policy of punctuality in your life, then you can do anything. You can overcome on your problems, difficulties, hurdles with the help of punctuality. Those people they become punctual in their life, those people they become regular in their life, they make a progress within days, not months, not years. If you are a student, then punctuality is very important for your study. If you are going to school on time, you are attending classes on time, you are giving some kind of lectures on time, then it's a good thing from your side and you should adopt the policy of punctuality. If you will punctual in your daily routine matters, you will be show your strength, you are revealing your ideas, you are exploring your authenticity, but it's depend upon your interest. Either you have an interest in your punctuality or you are wasting your time, you are wasting your ideas, you wanted to do anything in your life, but punctual should be in future as well as in the present play a vital role in your life. Those students they become punctual in their life, in their study, in their daily routine matters. One day they become a good person. Like if you wanted to appear in any kind of exam, then you should be punctual in your preparation, in your study, in your taking ideas, in your exploring new things in your life. But if you will get rid from punctuality, I think you are losing yourself. If you set aside all the punctuality manners, then you are wasting your crucial time and time also according to your punctuality. You should be punctual in your every matter. Like if you get up early in the morning, it's your punctuality. If you are going to office, it's also your punctuality. If you are attending any kind of class, then it's also your punctuality. But if we are wasting our crucial time, it's not a punctual thing. You are wasting your time, you are wasting your ideas, you are wasting important things in your life that is play a key role in your practically life. So according to me, according to researcher, according to science, according to scientific methods, according to the different formulas, there is a punctuality in your life. Like your uh, works, your ideas are in punctual way, your study, your professions, your job, everything is in a punctual. But if we are ignoring all these things, we are wasting ourselves. If we are wasting ourselves, we are losing ourselves. If we are losing ourselves, we are not gaining too many things that is very important for your life. So punctual should be a good thing in your life. You should be punctual in your sleeping, you should be punctual in your early morning, you should be punctual, you're attending classes, you should be punctual, go for walk, you should be punctual for playing any kind of game. If you will punctual, then you can change your health, you can keep fit, you can keep alive, you can change everything that is necessary for your life. If you are not punctual in your life, then we are wasting too many ideas that is very important for our coming life. Lot of people, they make a progress in their life, it's due to punctuality. Lot of people, they are struggling, they are hard work there in life due to punctuality. And those people, they fed up from their life, they are in the complexities, they are in the hurdles, they are in the obstacles. It's due to not aware about punctuality. So punctuality is a good thing, but I think we should be a learner. It doesn't come within our days, it's need a time, it's need your attention, it's need might be years, months, but it's depend upon your consistency. If you will be consistent, within short time you will be punctual. If you will be inconsistent, if you will be arithmetic, if you will be not obeying the rules and regulation of punctual things that is necessary for your life, we are wasting ourselves lot of ideas that is very important for coming life. Punctuality lead to success, and if you will not punctual in your life, we are wasting crucial moments in our life. Everybody, particularly students, this is the age in which you can grow yourself, in which you build yourself, in which you can make your character, your future. You can become a good professor as well as you can become a doctor, but it's need a punctuality. So we should be punctual in every matter. We should be ready for every hurdle, difficulties that is coming in our life, because life is not easy, it's tough. We can make it easy due to our hard work, due to our extra efforts, due to extraordinary struggle that is needed for growing ourselves. So we should grow ourselves, but it's need a punctuality, it's need a consistency, it's need a regularity. All the things will make you a good person. All the things, it will mix up you and you can make progress. So it's another topic for discussion, it's a new topic for discussion, it's a learning platform, it's a speaking platform, it's a leading platform, it's a unique things, it's a unique ideas we are sharing with you so that we can improve our English speaking.